Let's learn how to play Mathic Number, the card game of arithmetic. The goal of Mathic Number is to score points by making equations using cards and arithmetic operations. To start the game, for Mathic cards are dealt face up on the table at the top and one card is in your hand. You must use the card in your hand to make an equation with any of the cards on the table. You get 2 points per computed card and bonus points for using different operations. Subtraction, multiplication, and division awards 1, 2, and 3 bonus points respectively. To make an equation, place cards on the 5-space equation board. If you are using a special card, you will need to declare it. Then select operators to make the equation true. Once the equation is ready, click Compute to score points for correct equations. Incorrect equations lose a heart. Lose 3 hearts and the game is over. There are many card types in the game which all align with elementary school mathematical concepts. All cards, when placed on the equation board, become a number in an equation. Click brackets on and off to ensure true equations. Using a calculator is encouraged. You can reset all cards once per heart if stuck. Mathic Number was created by a 3rd-grade teacher during the pandemic to address the need for more gamified math education. With 6 fun types to mix and match, you can customize cards and settings for every grade level and learning objective. To view or download the rulebook, simply click the question mark button or visit our site for the free online course. Our mission is to improve math skills through an engaging video game that helps address our nation's dismal math scores by giving parents, teachers, and educators a common game to easily explore different math domains. Join our mission by playing now at mathicgames.com and check out the latest updates by joining our mailing list to stay informed about new games and features. Thank you for watching. Happy computing!